Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the top 5 coins that I believe are going to do really, really well in 2022. What I would call big winners in 2022. So, we've been in this kind of accumulation stage. We've been in this really stage of just decreasing, increasing just slightly, decreasing a little bit more, increasing slightly more. Nothing really going on. But I want to talk about the 5 coins that I believe are going to have big things going on in 2022 and have some great, really all-time high pushes as we get farther into this bull market. So let's get started with today's first coin. That's going to be Cardano. And a lot of people have been talking about Cardano recently as more of a negative. Seeing this $1.40 yet again, like we saw earlier in the year, people are kind of upset about this. We can see $1.40 back April 16th or April 15th even, we were at $1.48. People are not happy about kind of coming all the way back down. You have to realize Cardano has a lot of things in the works, a lot of big projects in the roadmap. So keep that in mind. Cardano also giving you the APY of 5 or really 4 to 5% staking is nice as well. So just keep this in mind as really a potential winner in 2022. Do your own research on all of these coins, by the way, before you get invested. But these are going to be high market cap, really still with high reward. And that's exactly what I'm going for here. Coins that I believe are going to do more than just a 2x, 3x, potentially even a 4x. So keep that in mind. I want to jump, though, into the next coin. That's going to be Polkadot. Polkadot's one coin we've talked about quite a bit in 2022 for many reasons already. And there's great reasons to believe this $24 price point is going to be one of the lowest price points we see in 2022. As we continue to see Polkadot do very well with the auctions that we've been talking about, the parachain auctions, we've seen a lot of utility continue to build on Polkadot, the ecosystem continuing to grow. And like I said, utility is one thing that keeps a coin happy and the community happy. So I am excited to see this $24 billion market cap continue to rise. Keep an eye on Polkadot in the next couple of weeks, as we have seen about a 5% decrease in the last week, in the last month, about a 5% decrease as well. This is a fairly solid point for a lot of people to buy in. We may see retail and institutional investors starting to invest when they see this market go bull instead of kind of this accumulation bearish phase that we are currently in. If we jump onto the next coin, it's going to be Cosmos Atom. Cosmos Atom has done really well in this last couple of weeks. You can see here from December, let's go to December 17th, 7 p.m., we saw $21.19. It's increased all the way up to $43.70 and now down to about $37.16. I think Cosmos Atom is going to continue to do very well. We've seen the strength that it actually kind of provided here during pretty much every other coin struggling. Cosmos Atom has done very well, and it's not done yet. $10.6 billion is not where I find the end of Cosmos. I think we're going to continue to see Cosmos do well, just like all the rest of these coins in 2022. I want to jump into coin number 4, but before we do so, guys, I want to hop on over to Twitter. If you guys haven't been on Twitter in a while, we have some great things going on. So the first thing we're going to see here on Twitter is, let's go to the profile. We have a giveaway going on, and it's a $40 chain link that we are looking for. If we don't hit $40 chain link, we actually are going to need to kind of repost this giveaway in February, but we are giving out 100 chain link. That's quite a bit. So all you have to do is retweet this tweet and follow me on Twitter at CryptoProfitYT. The link's down in the description. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about crypto on Twitter, make sure to follow me there. And also make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on, because one thing that we talk about here a lot on crypto is Chainlink. And there's reasons to believe Chainlink's going to continue to do very well. And when I say continue, I know it's not done so well in 2021, but, as we look at some of the big things that are going around, so Citibank saying Link may be even bigger than Bitcoin. We have Chainlink talking about staking coming in 2022. It's already confirmed. There's going to be an exciting time to really be involved with Chainlink, and a $22 Chainlink or a less than $22 Chainlink, in my opinion, is still a steal. I cannot believe that, people were able to pump this up from 21.33 up to about 20. That was actually the one-day chart there, but I want to look at the last week. Really the last month, but we were able to see $19 Chainlink or even $18.56 Chainlink December 20th. It pumped all the way up to about $28, and now we're seeing it drop right back down to 21. It's like people don't realize why that pump just occurred. So taking advantage of this, like I said, not a bad idea at all. Chainlink, there's a lot of whales out there. I mean, a lot of whales, and whales usually go to the successful coins. You don't usually see whales involved with coins that really just are not going to do too much the next year. Usually those whales know where to go. They know what to accumulate, and that's exactly why a lot of people try to follow the whales. They think that's a successful way to trade. Well, realistically, Chainlink is going to be an easy understanding of why they are successful. So the utility, the oracles that really are provided with Chainlink, the partnerships being over 1,000 at this point, in the staking coming out in 2022 are just a few reasons. Chainlink's probably one of the biggest, in my opinion, bags that really makes sense to hold. I want to jump over to Polygon, though. So Polygon's another one of those coins that just makes a lot of sense. So as more and more people are jumping into the really crypto space, the Ethereum network is going to be bogged down. Polygon's really going to help out with that. If we actually take a look here, Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon actually aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. I do remember back, I think I don't know when I bought this NFT, but I bought an NFT on Treeverse, actually, a plot of land, and it costed me, I believe, around $80 to actually buy that plot of land, which is just unbelievable. It's because the Ethereum gas fees are continuing to just be very, very high and volatile. So Polygon obviously needed in the right places for many, many reasons. I think this is going to be a utility coin that really does very well in 2022 as well. As we see, it actually was at about $3 before it came down to this $2.10 price point. The market's looking very, 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 what I guess what I would like to say is very, very big in the entry point section right now. Like, you can get in on some really great entry points across a lot of great cryptocurrencies. So it's like you didn't even miss out. If you're new to crypto, which typically, you guys are the ones that have been involved for a while if you're watching this video, because typically the people that want to jump in on new cryptocurrency or they want to get involved or invested, they are not coming until the market is booming. So Bitcoin's going to be up probably 65, 70K at the very least before we see a lot of new people jumping into the space. It's a bummer how it works, but people are going to miss out on these low price points. So don't miss out yourself as we continue to accumulate dollar cost average. Put in $20 a week, $30 a week, $40 a week, or $40 a month, whatever you can afford. It's one of those things to make sure you can afford to lose that money, because crypto, like I said, is very volatile, and you're going to want to keep it in for a while to make sure you get what you want out of it. So thank you guys again for tuning in. I want to jump back over to Twitter real quick, because we have a lot that goes on Twitter. And like I said, link staking will be one of the best things of 2022 without a doubt. So this 2022 kickoff presentation highlights how Chainlink has come to secure over $75 billion, plans for cross-chain interoperability using CCIP, which is huge as well, the upcoming staking release, and the use of Chainlink as an abstraction layer by Web 2.0 and enterprises. So just absolutely huge. I'm going to continue to keep you guys up to date on Crypto Profit YT on Twitter, so make sure to follow me there, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. If you guys haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and I want to hear, guys, what is your favorite altcoin? What is the coin that you're continuing to accumulate? You think it's undervalued? There's always one coin that it seems like everybody really does like more than the rest, and I want to hear yours today in today's comment section. So let me know, and I'll start reading them comments as soon as possible. Thanks again. I'll see you all in the next one.